H2O Every Day, a film by Ben Pitfield. Here we have a lovely pair of hydrogen atoms. There's nothing more attractive to bond to around here, so they form an H2 molecule. Despite the fact that they are bonded, they aren't happy. No, not really. Because they saw in the news that a couple of local hydrogens had found a lovely oxygen to bond with. Hydrogen would much rather bond with oxygen to form H2O than to bond with themselves and form only H2. Here comes an oxygen atom now. The hydrogen, very attracted to her, break their bond and decide to form an H2O molecule with her. What we must not forget is that on oxygen, in the H2O molecule, there are two unbonded pairs of electrons, which are responsible for its polarity. We also must not forget how small the electrons are compared to the nuclei of the atoms. The bonds that hold the molecule together are made of electrons, shared covalently. However, oxygen, being more electronegative than hydrogen, holds the electrons in the bond closer to herself, giving herself a slightly negative charge, and each hydrogen a slightly positive one. We indicate these charges with a lowercase delta, with either a plus or a minus sign, or by dipole vectors, whose arrowhead always points to the more negative end. Now you're probably saying to yourself, I'm much too big to be affected by water's polarity every day. But in fact, you aren't. Without water's polarity, your cell membranes couldn't function, so you wouldn't be alive. Also, ice would sink, and sucrose could not dissolve in water. Therefore, we wouldn't have any soda. Soda.